Ooh, look at this. Since we're here anyways, we're gonna be installing these Skunk 2 cam gears. Ooh, man. So actually the first set of cam gears I've ever purchased for any car. There's a little key right here, by the way. Just make sure that you have that on there, because if you don't, this boy ain't gonna be staying. Okay, let me get a little nice. Take the OEM hardware or whatever you want to use. I don't care what you use. For me, I'm just gonna slap the OEM hardware because I bought new ones. And then the other one, ooh, look at that. Nice and pretty. Same thing, make sure that you have the key right there, all right? Or else it ain't gonna stay. So slap these boys on. The purpose of cam gears, other than looking hella fancy, is you can adjust the timing, all right? So you can have more aggressive timing. The stock cam gears obviously don't have adjustability. This is the stock cam gear right here. Look at that, looks just like a regular, I don't know what the heck this is. Looks like a 4-star wheel. And you can't adjust it, it's just steel. This guy right here is obviously aluminum, it's 2-piece. And the way to adjust this is the bolts right here. You just undo these boys. So let me get the proper tool for that. So you just take your little socket and then undo these boys, okay? These are already semi-loose from the factory, all right? So make sure that you tighten these before you do anything, because from the factory, they set these loose. Don't assume that these are tight. And anyways, if you're working on aftermarket parts, always double check everything, because it's just some dude in the factory putting things together, all right? Might have been a Monday or Tuesday or whatever, and they're like, oh, I'm so tired. See that? You can adjust the throw. Now, if you just set it like this and then send it, you might have problems. So they've already thought about that. So if you look closely here, there are etch marks, and I'm just gonna set this to 0 for now until we need to adjust it later. But instead of adding this later, I wanna add it now. That way I don't have to take everything apart and worry about adding the cam gears. So I'll just slap these boys on. Torquing the cam gear is super easy, 41 foot-pounds. Get your favorite torque wrench, whatever it may be. Just make sure it's a good quality one, and then get yourself a cam holder tool. If you don't have one of these boys, they're super awesome. Amazon, I think it's like $14. Okay, and let me just torque this guy. It prevents the cam gears or the cam from spinning when you're torquing. See that? Or else this would be spinning and you would fall out of timing, and then, you know, the engine here, the Integra B18 and all the B series are actually interference engines, which means if your timing is off and you don't have all the stuff right here, the valves could hit the pistons. So yeah, that would suck.